the hotel room now, and it's been a good day. We're in the hotel room. I'm gonna give you a quick hotel tour. Okay, so welcome to my hotel room. It's Hotel Cheyenne. So we have this little like area here. Chambre occupée. Room occupied and sleepy. How cute. And then we got coat hangers. I'm gonna hang all my stuff up. Nice shelves. And a safe to put stuff in. And then more coat hangers. And a little desk, which I'm probably gonna put all my makeup on. Here, sorry. And you can see. And then we got the bathroom. Now I think I have a disabled room. Because I have toilet with a side on, which is probably good. Hairdryer, sink, and Mickey shampoos. So shampoo gel and more shampoo, and oh, this way, and a little Mickey soap. So they're gonna go in the bag, and hopefully we'll get more if house thing. Oh shit. If house thing comes. Now I presume this is because it's a disabled room, but there is cute. And this is my shower. I am gonna make a mess, and it has a seat. My shower has a seat. Great. But then you come back out and you got the room. So I got a bed and some more desks and some drawers and a chair and my lamp, which I really want. Look at this lamp. This lamp is so cool. And look, Woody's Roundup. Come on, it's time to play. And my mirror. Oh my god, look, I really love that mirror. It's so cool. Mirror is pretty sweet, and I really like the bench. And look at the wallpaper. It's all Toy Story themed. Which is great. And look. Look at this. Jessie, Woody, Bullseye. Does this come off by any chance? Oh, I like it. I have no room in my suitcase. And then we've got Jessie up here, and Woody and Bullseye, and a Woody on my lamps. And I have my bed. And look at this throw. This throw is gorgeous. And my stuff that I my suitcase need to unpack. But if I do this here, look, I'm in someone else's room. Hello. They gave us adjoining rooms, didn't they? Sorry, Har, you're like unpacking, and I'm here just filming you unpacking. But I like their room better because they got this beddy thing. And I think it's really cute, and I really wanted one.
Do you like our picture?
I have the same picture.
Yeah.
Hello? But yeah, that's their room. And I'll just have a look at the view. And this is my view of the car park. But it's okay because I'm not really going to be in here. Like, seriously, I've come home. I've come to unpack. Oh my god, those curtains. Woody. I've come home. I'm going to call it home. I've come back to unpack. I'm obsessed with this lamp. Well, I noticed it's gone. I'm not like that, I promise. I'm not like that at all. Yeah, so that's pretty much my room, and I have aircon and it's making a noise. And there's a fan. I think this. I don't know. I don't know if that works. But yeah, this is my room. And it's pretty cool. And I love it. I generally love it. But anyway, now I have to unpack because I want to get, like, I just want to tie my hair up and get a bit, like, another jumper on from freezing. And a few more other things because we're going to go back to Disney Village, which I keep calling Disney Springs. But we're going to go to Disney Village. We're going to have some dinner and then hopefully we'll see the fireworks. So, okay, so we've had a bit of a change of plan this evening. We're going to go to Illuminations, but we're not doing that now because Sophie's a bit flat out. So we've come to Five Guys just to have some food, then we're going to go back to the hotel. I wasn't going vlog at all. But look at these chips, they've literally thrown them in there. There's a cheeseburger in the bottom somewhere. Look at that. What? What? Anyway, these are Harleys, but I'm just nicking one. They are good though. They are good. Ja, sí, Max Verstappen. Vamos. Lewis Hamilton's champion. I don't know really how I feel about that, but we don't care because it's not a part of this vlog. I'm so tired. It is 21:52, so it's 10 to 10. Literally went to Disney Village, so we were going to go to McDonald's, but it was completely rammed in there. So we went to Five Guys instead and ate there. I actually spoke to you there, and now we're back here. We came straight back here because we're very we're tired, and Sophia's shattered buster. So we decided to come back to the hotel to kind of get an earlier night than what we would have got. So we'll be prepared for tomorrow. Now we're not too sure what we're doing tomorrow yet. Obviously we'll be in Disney. We're not too sure as to whether we're going to do AMH, Early Magic Hours. I'm not too sure. We'll see in the morning. So yeah, that's it from today, day one at Disney. It's been pretty good. Just so people know, I am the really enthusiastic type at Disney. You should know this from my Walt Disney World vlogs. So if you get annoyed with me getting overly excited, then tough. I love Disney. It's an important part of my life, and yeah.